I have here a small precision screwdriver set. So it's got this nice case that is going to keep everything nice and tidy. You can see all of the screwdriver bits right here, the screwdriver itself, plus you've got a list of accessories right here. You've got brush, some pry bars, some tweezers, some additional pry bars. You've got a nice suction cup for removing screens. And then right here we've got some extra accessories for splitting pieces apart without actually damaging or causing any marks on them. So looking right here, you can see all of the items that it comes with, all the different bits that we've got, everywhere from Phillips head to hex to Y's to flats. So it's got plenty of different bits that you can use, as well as all of the different accessories listed as well. So taking out the screwdriver itself here, it's got nice grip rubber right here so you can hold it nice and conveniently. This top piece does swivel 360 degrees, so you can push it into your hand and hold while you're pushing and still be able to spin. It's just gonna rotate really nicely there. And then when you're attaching any of these heads to it, you're just gonna take out the one you want, slip it in, and it's got a magnet in here, so it's gonna suck it in and keep it in place. So this is gonna be perfect for working on any kind of phones or anything else similar. You can see I've got an iPhone here that have these little teeny tiny screws. I'm gonna be able to take them out with no issues using this screwdriver. It also has a nice suction cup, so I can attach it to the screen here and use the suction cup to actually pop the phone apart. So if you do need to pop anything apart with plastic, you've got all of these pry bars that you can use that are gonna be non-marring, so you're not gonna damage anything. It's also got the nice pliers or tweezers here, so you can easily pick up small items, especially if you're working on like a phone and you need to disconnect all those ribbon cables. These are gonna be extremely handy to use. Now I'm all done working on the inside of the phone. I can use the screwdriver to reattach the two screws that I took out earlier. Because there is a magnet inside this, you can see it's actually holding the screw in place, which is going to be really handy, especially for small screws like this. So it's really nice. On these holders, it's going to tell you what all the bits are. So we've got all the Torx bits right here. We've got Phillips and flatheads. Phillips are here, flatheads. We've got some Y bits and some square bits. Even have a few different style of hex bolts here and a SIM card remover. So we've got all kinds of different bits, and it's nice and easily marked so you can find what you're looking for. So if you do need to remove one of these batches, you can easily just pull it out. They're just pressure fit in there with the rubber, so they're gonna stay in place. But if you want, you can pop them out and take them with you. This small precision screwdriver set is gonna be perfect for anybody that likes to work on devices or do repairs, or if you've got some computer parts that you gotta work on or a phone that you need to work on. This is gonna be perfect to go ahead and use to repair any kind of device using all the different bits that it comes with.